Students, today I will explain you question 15 of exercise 9.1. Question 15 of exercise 9.1 height and distance. A straight highway leads to the foot of a tower. A straight highway leads to the foot of a tower. A man is standing at the top of the tower. So first we'll make the what highway, and this is the tower. This is the tower and this is the highway. This highway is what? This is the tower. This is highway. Okay. Now what is happening? A man is standing at the top of the tower, observes a car at an angle of depression of 30 degree. Man is standing on the observes a car at an angle of depression of 30 degree. So for the first we will draw the imaginary line of the horizontal line, because we have to make the depression line. Here the person is standing. Suppose the tower is what AB. At the A point, person is standing. At the P point the car is there. Okay. Then he is seeing that the car is angle of depression is what? That is 30 degree. Angle of depression is what? That is 30 degree. Means this angle is what? 30 degree. Okay. He has seen that at the P point one car is there, and the car is which is approaching the foot of the tower. Means the car is going this direction to the tower at the uniform speed 6 seconds later. Means after 6 seconds the angle of depression of the car is found to be 60 degree. Means ki now the angle of depression become the what? That will be 60 degree after 6 seconds. Here the time is given ki after 6 seconds the car reaches at the point Q. Okay, the car reaches at the point Q. Again the understand the student question. This is the highway and this is the tower. Okay, this is the tower. One highway is what? Towards the what? Tower it is there, and the one car, the one person is standing on the top of the tower A at the point A. He has seen the angle of depression means 30 degree. This is the 30 degree, and if this is 30 degree, then this will be 30 degree also, because this will work as the transversal line. These are what? The parallel lines. So 30 degree, and this is 60 degree. This bigger angle is what? That is the 60 degree. So this angle will be also 60 degree. And after 6 seconds, he has seen that car because he was that car is going towards the what? Tower. Reaches after 6 seconds. After 6 seconds, car reaches at the point Q, and the angle of depression from their person he is seen from the top. It is what? 60 degree. Okay, after 6 seconds. So that means ki what is asking? Find the time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower from this point. After 6 seconds he has reached from 30 to 60 degree. Now how much time it will take to reach to up to tower? Means Q to B. Means ki how much time it has taken the what? QB. So let height of tower be h, that is the h meter. Okay, and because the car is moving at uniform speed, therefore, and the speed of car be x meter per second, because every unit is given in meter and second it is given, therefore I am taking the, and speed of car be x meter per second. You know the students ke distance equal to what? Speed into time. Okay, distance equal to speed into time. So therefore the PQ will be, PQ is the what? That is the distance, and distance equal to speed into time. Speed is what? That is the x, and the time is what? 6. X into 6, or that will be what? That will be 6x. Understand again? that PQ is the what? That is the distance it has been covered by the car from P to Q point, and that is the what? 6x, because the distance equal to is speed into time. Speed we have taken x meter per second and time is what? 6 seconds. So PQ equal to 6x, and we have to find the BQ. BQ, how much BQ will be there, and then after we will convert in the what? Time. BQ equal to 6x. Now first we will take the in right triangle. In right triangle ABQ. This concept is clear, because this is the angle of depression 60 degree, so this will be also 60 degree, this is 30 degree, this will be also 30 degree, because alternate angles are equal. Okay. In right triangle ABQ, there we have to take the relation between perpendicular and base. Tan 60 degree equals AB upon BQ. AB upon BQ. Tan 60 degree equal to what? Root 3, and AB is what we have taken as the H, and BQ we don't. This is the first one. Okay. Our H equal to BQ root 3, write down. Okay, write down our H equal to BQ root 3. This is the first one. Now we have got the H equal to, this is the relation between H and BQ, H equal to BQ root 3. Now we will take the in right triangle ABP. In right triangle ABP, so we have to take the what? This tan 30 degree we have to take. Perpendicular is what? That is the AB, and the base is what? That is the BP, and BP equal to tan 30 degree first 1 upon root 3, and AB is what? We have taken the height of the tower as a H, and BP equal to what? PQ, and we have taken that as the BQ. Okay, and 1 upon root 3, then H, and PQ. H length already we have seen that BQ root 3 it has come. Okay, BQ root 3, and in place of S we have written that PQ. PQ is what? That is the 6x and plus BQ. Okay, now cross multiply. 6x plus BQ equals BQ into root 3 into root 3. So root 3 into root 3 was 3. So 3 BQ it will be there. So 3 BQ minus 1 BQ will be 2 BQ. 2 BQ equal to 6x. So BQ equal to 6x upon 2 will be what? 3x. Now students, it has come in the form of x, because the x is the speed of the what? Car. This is the distance. BQ is the what? 3x distance has been covered by the car. Okay. Then question is asking the how much time taken by the car. So time taken equal to what? You know formula? Time taken equal to what? That is the distance upon speed. So car has covered the distance how much? 3x. BQ is what? That is the 3x, and speed is what? That is the x. X will be cancelled. That means 3 seconds. Three seconds will be answer. Okay. Now see from the starting what the question is there. One tower is there, and this is the highway, and that highway leads to the what? Tower, and one person at the A point he is seeing the car at the P point. Then after 6 seconds he has seen the car has reaches up to Q point, and that time angle of depression making 60 degree. Before that it was making 30 degree. Then his question is there how much time it will take to reach up to B. That means we have to find the distance. We have taken the let the speed of the car be x, and the height of the tower bs, and by solving we have got the what distance bq is equal to what, that is the 3x, and 3x is the distance and the speed is what, x, therefore time taken will be what, 3 seconds. So after 3 seconds car will reach to the tower. Okay, your answer will be after 3 seconds car will reach to the tower. This way we have to solve this. Okay. This was the question number 15. Let height of tower be h meter, speed of car be x meter per second. Figure is drawn there. Okay, students, thank you.